Hello once again, sports fans. Today I'm going to show you how to change the clutch oil on these KTM 50s. Now it's the same way whether you have a mini or a pro senior. You should be changing this oil pretty much every ride. So every 1 or 2 engine hours, this oil gets extremely hot, which means it degrades quite quickly. And if you don't change the oil, you're going to burn that clutch out a lot quicker. All you need is a 13mm socket. You need a ratchet wrench. And you're going to need a extension bar for that, just to make it a little bit easier. So this goes together like this. Like that. We can't use the center stand when changing the oil. We've got to use the triangle stand, the side stand. So the first thing you want to do is put the side stand on and go from there. So the first thing you want to do is remove the oil cap on the throttle side of the bike, and that'll assist in the oil draining. Just like that. Okay, so all we need to do is take out this bolt. This is the oil drain bolt. So we're going to get our socket on the end here, as so, and we're going to go counterclockwise, like that. This is our cup here. And I'm just going to take this out like this slowly. Until the oil starts coming out. I just want to catch it like that, and there we go. Now I'm going to show you the bottom here. These sump bolts or drain bolts have got a magnetic type material on the end which collect all the filings. So there's usually a bit of gunk there. This has got a bit on it, so we just wipe that clean as well. Okay, so while that's draining, we need to leave it for about 15 minutes to drain all the oil. We're going to get ready the new oil to put in. These KTMs, whether it's a mini or a senior, they take 200ml of oil, and you want to make sure that's accurate. So what I've got here, very cheap way to do it, is a measuring cup from Bunnings. Costs like $2.20. It's in the paint section, so it's obviously for mixing up paint, but it's perfect here. And it goes up to 250ml. We want 200, but very accurate measurements. So yeah, it's spot on. What I've got here is the oil we run. This is as per the manual, as per KTM specifications. You've got ATF Dextron 3, a Motorex brand, which is exactly what they call for. A lot of people use different oils. I haven't tried that yet. I probably will in the future. This is quite dear. What do we got here? We got $31.95 a bottle. So you know it adds up when you're changing oil every ride, or every 1 or 2 hours. It does add up in cost. So we're just going to pour this in here until we're bang on 200. I think if you were to put a bit too much in, you could risk blowing seals, and obviously too little in, you risk getting the clutch too hot. So you really want to get on 200, and that's all you want to put in. So there we go. That's about bang on 200 there, and that's what we're going to put in. Okay, that's been draining for about 15 minutes, so I'm pretty confident that most is out. Just got, as I said before, you got the sump knot here with a bit of gunk on it. I'm just going to wipe that with a rag, just like that, until it's all off. There you go, nice and clean. Just going to put that back in the same way. This way we're going to go clockwise. Just like that, finger tight. And this part we need to be careful. So we're going to put the socket back on, and we're going to tighten it clockwise, but we're just going to give it a bit. Very soft metal. We don't want to strip the case there. So, okay, so the next step is installing the fresh oil. Just going to put a funnel in there. And here is the fresh oil we prepared before, 200ml exactly. And we're just going to slowly pour it in like this. If you pour it in too quickly, it can come back at you. So just slowly pour it in. There's no rush. There we go. And just as we've been so accurate with the measurement, we'll make sure it's all out. So just give it a couple of shakes. Make sure there's very little residue left in the container. Screw on the cap, as so. Just firm. That's all. So there you have it, guys. There's how to change your clutch oil on your KTM 50. whether it be a Pro Senior like over there, or whether it's a Mini. Change it regularly and you'll get a lot more life out of your clutch. See you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.